Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing a condenser microphone and a sound card. But the one which I wanted was a sound card. But as you can see, the box is here and there is nowhere indicating that we have a sound card. The sound card is F998, but on the box we have only showing it is a microphone which is inside. As you can see, we have nowhere where it's showing that we have a card. As you can see, nowhere is indicating that we have a card. But anyway, this is the box. So guys, let us unbox and see what is inside. Well, okay, now let's unbox. Okay guys, this is the box. On the box we have some warranty card, I think. Broadcasting a recording microphone. As you can see, it talks all about the mic. I think it is don't know, a warranty card of some sort. Let us put aside. Then we have some cable. This is cable for the mic. This one is a condenser microphone, as you can see. So I ordered this as a combo, a microphone and a card. So this we have the card is the mic itself. This is BM800, as you can see. Then we have some attachment here, a mount for the mic. This is a mount. We have, let's see, here we have a mount here for attachment. This is for just for mounting the mic like this. Then we have a windscreen. This is for reducing a lot of noise for the mic. So this you just put it inside here. So I bought this sound card and mic combo for 2,300 Kenya shillings, which is equivalent to around 18 US dollars, which is was a pretty good deal. We have some cable, and then we have the mic manual. This is the manual card for the mic itself. Sorry, for the sound card. The sound card is F998, as you can see. Then we have some cables. We have this one. This is mic earphones. You can use this with the sound card, as you can see this one. Then we have some cable here. We have two AUX to AUX. This one we have two. Then we have a USB to type C cable, this one. Then we have the sound card itself. This is the sound card. So guys, let's first put this box aside. Now guys, this is the sound card. Now, as you can see, we have the sound card itself here. This card is very nice. Sorry, this card is very nice. So let's see what's button or what we have on the sound card. We have a tremble knob here to increase or reduce the tremble. We have a mid here. We have some bass if you want to record bass. We have a record. We have special effects. These are the effects which you can they comes with the sound card. If you want to increase the volume of the effects or reduce, we have a battery indicator here. This we have also, this comes with internal battery, so you can recharge or you can use direct when you are charging it. Then we have a power button here. We have some knob here to reduce the volume of the mic. Then we have the knob here to reduce the echo. You can increase or reduce the echo. We have indication here. which lights. Then we have some special effects here. These are all effects. So, and we have some accompany here. We have some toggle knobs here which you can use them. On the side here we have ports for your devices. So the first one we have for condenser microphone. We have for the next one is for headset, if you have a headset. The next one is for earphone. The next one is for company. This for company if you want to add like background music. So the device which you want to use for background music, you insert or you attach it here. Then we have 3 ports for if you are recording using your phone. Then we have like the next one here, we have if you are going live or when you attach this card on your PC. Then we have for charging here, which accepts 5 volts to 1 ampere charging. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Just press here, just press and hold this one, it will switch on. Now as you can see, it lights up with a cool what we call lights. As you can see guys, very beautiful by the way. So guys, on my next video I will do a setup for this sound card. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload that video, and I will catch you on my next one.